Hello, I'm Dr. Shigar Kanti. In this video, we find mean, variance, and standard deviation of a random variable x. An example, a pair of dice be thrown and the random variable x is the sum of numbers that appear on the face of two dice. Find the mean and standard deviation. Suppose two dice are thrown, then what are the total number of outcomes? Each die has 6 faces numbered with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That is, on the first die we may get 1, 2, 6. And similarly on the second dice also we get 1 to 6. That is, total number of outcomes are 6 into 6 is equal to 36. That is, first dice 1, second dice 1. First dice 1, second dice 2. That is 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 4, 1, 5, 1, 6, and then 2, 1, 2, 2, 2, 3, 2, 4, 2, 5, 2, 6. Similarly, 6, 1, 6, 2, 6, 3, 6, 4, 6, 5, 6, 6. That is totally 36 outcomes are there. And the minimum number on the face of a die is 1 and the maximum number is 6. Therefore, if I take the total, then minimum is, if both have 1 and 1, then I will get the sum is equal to 2. And if both have maximum number, that 6, 6 plus 6 is equal to 12. So that is here. The sum, minimum value of the sum is 2 and the maximum value of sum is equal to 12. That is, x can take the value 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. Now we find the probability of getting x equal to 2, 3, 4, 5 up to 12. Probability of x equal to 12 is equal to probability of the sum is x equal to 2. The sum is 2 here. That is 2 is obtained by 1 and 1. This is the only possibility. So therefore P of 1 comma 1 is equal to 1 by total number of outcomes. That is 36. 1 by 36. Probability of x equal to 3, that is sum equal to 3, and this 3 can be obtained by these two ways, 1 and 2 or 2 and 1. These are the only two possibilities. Therefore, probability of x equal to 3 equal to 2 divided by 36, that is 1 by 18. Next, probability of x equal to 4, that is getting the sum equal to 4, and this 4 can be obtained by 1, 3, 2, 2, 3, 1. These are the only three possibilities. Therefore, probability of x equal to 4 is number of elements here 3 divided by total number 36. 3 by 36, that is 1 by 12. Similarly, P of x equal to 5. Sum equal to 5 means this 5 is obtained by taking 1, 4, 2, 3, 3, 2, 4, 1. These are the four possibilities. Therefore, P of x equal to 5 is 4 by 36. That is 1 by 9. P of x equal to 6. Getting the sum equal to 6 can be obtained by 1, 5, 2, 4, 3, 3, 4, 2, 5, 1. These are the 5 possibilities. Therefore, probability of x equal to 6 is 5 divided by total number 36. 5 by 36. P of x equal to 7. Getting the sum is 7 is obtained by 1, 6, 2, 5, 3, 4, 4, 3, 5, 2, 6, 1. 6 possibilities are there. So, therefore, P of x equal to 7 is 6 by 36, that is 1 by 6. P of x equal to 8. So if I take the 1 on the first dice, it is not possible to get the sum is equal to 8 because I need 7 here. 7 is not there on the second die. So therefore I have to start with 2 here. 2, 6, 3, 5, 4, 4, 5, 3, 6, 2. 5 possibilities are there. Therefore P of x equal to 8 is 5 by 36. Similarly, P of x equal to 9, getting the sum equal to 9 can be obtained by 9 is obtained by 3, 6, 4, 5, 5, 4, and 6, 3. 4 possibilities are there. Therefore, P of x equal to 9 is 4 by 36. That is 2 by 18. Then P of x equal to 10. Getting the sum equal to 10 is, this 10 is obtained by 4, 6, 5, 5, 6, 4. Only 3 possibilities are there to get the sum equal to 10. So therefore, P of x equal to 10 is 3 divided by 36, 1 by 12. P of x equal to 11. To get the sum equal to 11, I have to get 5, 6 and 6, 5. These are the only 2 possibilities. Therefore, P of x equal to 11 is 2 by 36, 1 by 18. And finally, P of x equal to 12. To get this sum equal to 12, only one possibility is on the first die I have to get 6 and on the second die I have to get 6. 6 comma 6 is the only one possibility. Therefore, P of x equal to 12 is 1 by 36. Now we write the table. In the first row, I write the values of x here, that is random variable x, 2 to 12. And in the second row, we write the corresponding probabilities. 1 by 36, 2 by 36, 3 by 36, 4 by 36, 5 by 36, 6 by 36, 5 by 36, 4 by 36, 3 by 36, 2 by 36, 1 by 36. Okay, these are the probabilities. Then to find the mean, mu is given by summation x into px, x into px, that is here 2 into 1 by 36 plus 3 into 2 by 36 plus 4 into 3 by 36 plus 5 into 3 by 36 plus up to 12 into 1 by 36. Okay, so that is here. And 1 by 36 is common. We write 1 by 36 outside here. 2 into 1 plus 3 into 2 plus 4 into 3 up to 12 into 1. And this gives, this is equal to 252 divided by 36. This is equal to 7. So this is the mean, mu equal to 7. Then how to find the variance? Variance B is given by summation x minus mu square into P of x. Here my mu equal to 7. Then x minus mu, 2 minus 7 square into 1 by 36 plus 3 minus 7 square into 2 by 36 plus 4 minus 7 square into 3 by 36 plus up to 12 minus 7 square into 1 by 36. So 1 by 36 is a common factor here. I will write 1 by 36 outside. Then we write 2 minus 7 square plus 3 minus 7 square into 2 plus 4 minus 7 square into 3 plus 5 minus 7 square into 4 up to 12 minus 7 square into 1. This is equal to 1 by 36 into, and simplifying this, 2 minus 7 is minus 5 square is 25. 3 minus 7 is minus 4. Minus 4 square is plus 4 square, that is 16 into 2, 32. 4 minus 7 is equal to minus 3. Minus 3 square is 3 square, that is equal to 9. 9 into 3 is equal to 27 and so on. So these are the values. Okay. After finding these values, then adding these, we get this this value, this bracketed quantity is 210 divided by 36. This is equal to 35 by 6. This is our variance. Then standard deviation is given by sigma equal to root of v, that is square root of 35 by 6, and this is approximately 2.4153. This is how we can find out mean, variance and standard deviation. Okay. Next, one more example. Find the mean, variance and standard deviation of number obtained on a throw of a die. This is similar example. Here one die is thrown. What is my random variable x? My random variable x is a number obtained on a throw of a dice. What number we can obtain? We can obtain 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 or 6. One of these I am getting. That is x can take 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. These are the values taken by x here. And what is the probability of getting this one? What is the, how many numbers are here? Only one is there. X equal to 1 is only 1. So this is probability of 1 is 1 by total number here, 1 by 6. And probability of x equal to 2, only one possibility is there. Okay, so getting 2 on the face, only one possibility is there. Therefore, probability of 2 is also equal to 1 by 6. Similarly, probability 3, probability of 4, probability of 5, probability of 6. they are all equal to 1 by 6. So that is P of 1 equal to P of 2 equal to P of 3 equal to P of 4 equal to P of 5 equal to P of 6 is equal to 1 by 6. Now we write a table. In the first row, I will write the values of x 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And in the second row, we write the corresponding probabilities. All of them are same 1 by 6, 1 by 6, 1 by 6. Then mean is equal to sigma x into px. 1 into 1 by 6 plus 2 into 1 by 6 plus 3 into 1 by 6 plus 4 into 1 by 6 plus 5 into 1 by 6 plus 6 into 1 by 6. That is taking 1 by 6 outside here. 1 into 1 plus 2 into 1 plus 3 into 1 plus 4 into 1 plus 5 into 1 plus 6 into 1. That is 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 6. This is equal to 21. This bracketed quantity is 21 divided by 6. So this is our mean. Then to find the variance, what is the variance here? Variance is V equal to sigma x minus mu square into P of x. Already I got this 21 by 6, mu equal to 21 by 6. So that is here x minus 21 by 6 square into P of x. 1 minus 21 by 6 square into 1 by 6 plus 2 minus 21 by 6 square into 1 by 6 plus 3 minus 21 by 6 square into 1 by 6 plus 4 minus 21 by 6 square into 1 by 6 plus 5 minus 21 by 6 square into 1 by 6 plus finally 6 minus 21 by 6 square into 1 by 6. So I will write this 1 by 6 is in each term. I will write this outside, then we write 1 minus 21 by 6 square plus 2 minus 21 by 6 square plus 3 minus 21 by 6 square into 1 is there. If you write 1, if you don't write, then there is no problem because it is 1. Now this is equal to, here in each bracket 1 minus 21 by 6, 2 minus 21 by 6, 3 minus 21 by 6. That is here we take in each bracket, we take 6 LCM here. This becomes 6 minus 21 by 6 square. Here also if I take 6 LCM, 6 into 2 minus 21 by 6 square. So in the denominator I am getting 6 square in each term. 6 square is nothing but 36. I will write this outside here. Then 6 minus 21 is minus 15. Minus 15 square is plus 15 square plus 6 minus 2 is 18 minus 21 is minus 3. Minus 3 square. 6 minus 6 minus 2 is 12 minus 21 is minus 9. Minus 9 square is plus 9 square. 6 minus 3 is 18. 18 minus 21 is minus 3. Minus 3 square is same as plus 3 square. 6 minus 4 is 24 minus 21 is 3. 3 square. 6 minus 5, 30 minus 21 is 9 square. 6 into 6, 36 minus 21. This is 36 minus 21 is 15. 15 square. Okay. Now writing simplifying this bracketed quantity, I will get 15 square 225, 9 square 81, 3 square 9, 3 square 9, 9 square is 81, 15 square 225. This summation gives 630 divided by 3 into 36 is 216. This is equal to 105 by 36 or this is equal to 35 by 12. So this is our variance. Then standard deviation is given by square root of b. This is equal to square root of 35 by 12. This is equal to approximately 1.708. Okay. Thank you. I'll stop here.